Ah, the baggage carousel, the spinning symbol of hope and dread at the end of a long journey. We've all been there, watching anxiously, hoping ours emerges unscathed, and we've all felt the sinking feeling when the carousel empties and our luggage is nowhere to be found. It's a travel nightmare nobody wants to experience, but with preparation and know-how, you can navigate luggage mishaps like a pro. Traveling is about embracing the unknown, but it's also about being prepared. We carefully plan our itineraries and dream of the adventures awaiting us. The good news is that luggage nightmares don't have to ruin your trip. With simple precautions, you can handle any mishaps with confidence and grace. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable travel experience. Before you even think about packing, let's talk luggage. Think of your suitcase as your trusty sidekick, protecting your belongings on their journey. It's an investment worth making, especially if you're a frequent flyer. Look for durable materials like polycarbonate or aluminum, known for their strength and impact resistance. Pay attention to the little details that make a big difference. Reinforced corners and sturdy zippers are crucial for withstanding rough handling. And don't forget about maneuverability. Opt for luggage with smooth rolling, multi-directional wheels that can handle those tight airport corners and crowded terminals. Remember, your suitcase is going to be tossed, turned, and maybe even dropped. You need a warrior, not a wimp, to protect your belongings. By choosing quality luggage, you're investing in peace of mind and ensuring your belongings arrive safely and soundly. In the sea of black suitcases circling the baggage carousel, how will yours stand out? This is where luggage tags become your best friend. A sturdy, brightly colored tag with your name, phone number, and email address is essential. Make sure the information is clear and easy to read, even from a distance. But don't stop there. Consider adding an internal luggage tag with your contact information inside your suitcase as well. This way, if the external tag gets ripped off, it happens. Your bag can still be identified. And here's a fun travel hack. Use a unique ribbon or luggage strap to instantly spot your bag on the carousel. No more playing luggage roulette. Remember, a well-tagged suitcase is less likely to get lost and easier to track down if it does go astray. So, get creative, personalize your luggage, and give yourself peace of mind knowing your bag is easily identifiable. This one is a no-brainer but bears repeating: never ever pack valuables in your checked luggage. This includes important documents, electronics, jewelry, cash, and anything else you absolutely cannot afford to lose. These precious items belong in your carry-on bag, where you can keep a close eye on them throughout your journey. Think of it this way: if you wouldn't feel comfortable leaving it unattended in a busy public place, it shouldn't be in your checked luggage. Accidents happen, bags get delayed or even lost, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. Plus, having your essentials close at hand in case of unexpected delays or cancellations is a smart travel move. Remember, your carry-on is your personal travel sanctuary. Keep it stocked with your must-haves and breathe easy, knowing your valuables are safe and sound under your watchful eye. Section 5. Picture this: documenting your belongings. We live in the age of smartphones, so put that camera to good use. Before you zip up your suitcase, take photos of everything inside, especially valuable items. This visual inventory can be a lifesaver if your luggage gets lost or damaged. It helps you prove ownership and supports your claim with the airline or your travel insurance company. Consider making a list of the items in your checked luggage, including brand names, model numbers, and approximate values. Keep this list with your travel documents or store it digitally for easy access. Having this information readily available can expedite the claims process if needed. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when it comes to documenting your belongings. So snap away, organize your evidence, and give yourself the best chance of a smooth resolution if the unexpected happens. Section 6. Lost and found, not found, navigating missing luggage. You've arrived, but your luggage hasn't. Don't panic, act quickly. Head to the airline's baggage claim office. File a property irregularity report, or PIR. Use online tracking systems. Follow up regularly. With patience, you'll be reunited soon. Section 7. When your luggage takes a tumble. Dealing with damage. Sometimes your luggage might arrive, but it's seen better days. Scratches, dents, or even a broken wheel can happen. The key is to document any damage immediately. Before you leave the baggage claim area, report the damage to the airline's baggage claim office. They'll guide you through their specific procedures, which may involve filing a report and providing evidence of the damage. Take clear photos of the damage from different angles. This visual documentation is essential for supporting your claim. Keep all your travel documents, including your boarding pass, luggage tags, and any reports filed. Contact your travel insurance company if you have coverage for lost or damaged luggage. They can provide guidance and support throughout the claims process. Remember, airlines are responsible for compensating passengers for reasonable and necessary expenses incurred due to damaged luggage. By following the proper procedures and documenting everything thoroughly, you can increase your chances of a favorable outcome. Section 8. Speed up the reunion tips for quick item return. While we hope your luggage always arrives safely, it's smart to be prepared for any eventuality. Consider using a GPS tracking device inside your suitcase. These handy gadgets allow you to track your bag's location in real time, giving you peace of mind and aiding in recovery if it goes missing. Keep a detailed list of the items in your checked luggage, including brand names, model numbers, and approximate values. Store receipts for valuable items purchased specifically for your trip. This documentation can be helpful in supporting your claim and ensuring you receive proper compensation if your luggage is lost or damaged. Familiarize yourself with your travel insurance policy and understand the coverage provided for lost, delayed, or damaged luggage. Remember, being organized and prepared can make a world of difference in the event of lost luggage. By taking these extra steps, you can increase your chances of a speedy reunion with your belongings and minimize the disruption to your travel plans. Section 9. Your rights as a traveler. Knowledge is power. Air travel is governed by a complex web of regulations, and understanding your rights as a passenger is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the Montreal Convention, an international treaty that establishes airline liability for lost, damaged, or delayed luggage. This convention sets limits on the airline's liability, so it's essential to understand these limitations. Know your rights. Airlines are obligated to make every reasonable effort to reunite you with your lost luggage within a specific time frame. If your luggage is delayed, airlines are often required to cover reasonable expenses for essential items, such as toiletries and clothing, while you wait for your bag's arrival. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to air travel. By being aware of your rights and the regulations in place, you can confidently navigate any luggage-related challenges that may come your way. Safe travels, and may your luggage always arrive safe and sound.